2026 is not just another year on the calendar. It's a turning point, a moment where the rules of money, work, and opportunity are shifting faster than ever before. Imagine waking up this year to a world where artificial intelligence can perform tasks that previously took humans hours, where new digital markets open every day, and where traditional jobs that were once considered stable are now disappearing almost overnight. If you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, this year will define how close you get to that dream. The decisions you make now could set you up for wealth for the next decade, or leave you struggling to catch up as the world moves ahead. The financial landscape in 2026 is unlike anything you've experienced before. Inflation, interest rates, and new tax policies are shaping the way money moves, while technological innovation is creating opportunities that were unimaginable just 5 years ago. Businesses that embrace automation, AI, and digital tools are scaling faster than ever, while those that cling to old methods are struggling to keep up. For you, this means that financial success will no longer be about how many hours you work, but about how strategically you position yourself in the new economy. You might be wondering, where do I even start? How do I know which paths to take? This video is your blueprint. We'll break down the 2026 wealth landscape into clear, actionable steps. From high-income skills that are in demand this year, to the best online income streams, investment strategies, and AI tools to maximize efficiency. By the end of this guide, you'll have a roadmap to create real, lasting wealth. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom of choice, freedom of time, and freedom to pursue what matters most. In 2026, those who embrace the new tools and trends will have the power to achieve all three. Those who hesitate or ignore these changes risk being left behind. The blueprint for success is available to anyone willing to take the first step. It doesn't require wealth, degrees, or connections, only clarity, strategy, and action. In this video, we'll cover the 3 pillars of wealth: digital income, smart investing, and high-value skills, and explain how they work together to build a strong foundation. We'll explore the top income streams that are scalable in 2026, the AI tools that can multiply your efforts, and the key investments that can help you grow your money safely. We'll also discuss mistakes to avoid and provide a 30-day action plan to kickstart your financial journey. By the time you finish watching, you won't just know what to do. You'll have clarity, urgency, and motivation to take action immediately. 2026 is a year of opportunity, but only for those who act. This is your moment. The decisions you make this year will shape your financial reality for the next decade. So take a deep breath, open your mind, and let's dive into the 2026 Money Blueprint, a complete guide to building wealth in the new economy. But before we start building strategies, we must first understand the environment we're stepping into. The 2026 financial landscape is complex, dynamic, and full of both risks and opportunities. Let's take a closer look. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to examine the 2026 financial landscape. Understanding the environment is critical to positioning yourself for success. The U.S. economy is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Technological innovations are transforming industries, creating opportunities for early adopters and leaving traditional methods behind. Employment in automation-friendly sectors has grown over 15% in the past 2 years, while projections for AI-related jobs continue to rise exponentially. Meanwhile, traditional sectors like retail, manual labor, and even some office-based roles are seeing wage stagnation or decline. Even service jobs that were considered stable 5 years ago are now being supplemented or replaced by AI and digital tools. Recognizing this shift allows you to focus your energy on high-potential opportunities rather than chasing declining sectors. Three industries dominate 2026 growth: technology, green energy, and digital services. Technology, of course, continues to thrive as AI, cloud computing, and software development touch every sector. Green energy is expanding rapidly with government incentives and corporate investments in renewables, creating huge opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. Digital services, including online education, AI content creation, and automated consulting, are seeing unprecedented growth. These sectors aren't just growing, they are evolving rapidly, and early movers stand to benefit the most. But growth comes with challenges. Inflation, rising interest rates, and evolving tax structures are changing how money flows. Knowing how to navigate these financial shifts is crucial. Investing without strategy or focusing on the wrong sectors can cost you both time and money. The difference between success and failure in 2026 often comes down to positioning, timing, and understanding trends before they become mainstream. Think about your own situation. Are you focusing your energy on industries that are declining? Or are you positioning yourself where growth is happening? The gap between where most people are and where opportunities lie is widening fast. The good news is, by understanding this landscape, you already have a roadmap, a guide to focus your efforts where they will yield the most rewards. And this is where the three pillars of wealth come in. They are your compass, guiding every decision you make, so that whether you pursue income streams, investments, or skills, you're aligned with the trends shaping 2026. Understanding the terrain is essential, but knowing the strategy is even more important. And that's exactly what we'll explore next. The three pillars that will form the foundation of your financial success this year. With the landscape clear, it's time to focus on the foundation. Let's explore the three pillars of wealth in 2026, the guideposts that will shape every successful financial journey this year. Every successful financial journey in 2026 is built on three pillars: digital income, smart investing, and high-value skills. Together, these pillars create a foundation that can withstand market shifts, inflation, and the rapid pace of technological change. The first pillar, digital income, is about leveraging the internet and technology to create scalable revenue streams. This includes online businesses, faceless YouTube automation channels, affiliate marketing, and freelancing powered by AI. The key is automation, building something once and earning repeatedly. This allows you to free up your time while your income grows. The second pillar, smart investing, ensures that your money works for you. Investing in the right stocks, ETFs, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies allows you to grow wealth passively. In 2026, knowing where to allocate your money is crucial because growth sectors are expanding rapidly while others stagnate. The third pillar, high-value skills, is what allows you to stay indispensable in an ever-changing economy. Skills like AI prompt engineering, automation consulting, digital marketing, data analysis, and cybersecurity are in high demand. Mastering even one of these skills can dramatically increase your earning potential and open doors to multiple income streams. Together, these pillars form a cycle. Your skills allow you to create digital income. Digital income funds smart investments, and smart investments give you the freedom to pursue more skills and opportunities. The synergy between these pillars ensures that your wealth is not dependent on a single source of income, making it resilient and scalable. Later in this video, we will explore actionable strategies for each pillar, how to start income streams, which investments to prioritize, and how to acquire high-value skills efficiently. But first, let's take a deep dive into the skills that will make you highly valuable in 2026. The third pillar, and arguably the most important foundation for long-term success. To strengthen the third pillar, your high-value skills. We need to know exactly which abilities are in demand this year and how they can transform your financial journey. In 2026, not all skills are created equal. The economy is evolving at such a rapid pace that some abilities are becoming incredibly valuable, while others are fading into irrelevance. To succeed, you need to focus on high-income skills that are in demand and can scale with technology. One of the fastest-growing areas is AI prompt engineering. Essentially, this is the skill of communicating effectively with AI systems to generate content, automate tasks, and solve problems. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for people who can harness AI tools to increase productivity. Whether it's creating marketing content, writing scripts, or analyzing data, AI prompt engineering can become a source of income almost immediately. Automation consulting is another high-value skill. Businesses are actively seeking ways to streamline operations using AI and other digital tools. By learning how to integrate automation solutions, you can position yourself as an expert who saves companies time and money, a skill that pays exceptionally well. Digital marketing, especially AI-powered marketing, remains crucial. Understanding social media algorithms, creating campaigns, and optimizing ad spend for maximum ROI are essential skills. AI tools now make this process faster and more efficient, allowing small teams or even individuals to compete with large marketing agencies. Data analysis and cybersecurity also continue to rise in importance. Companies need experts who can interpret complex datasets and protect sensitive information. These are not just niche skills, they are career paths with high stability and growth potential in 2026. The beauty of these skills is that many of them can be learned online, often for free or at low cost. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and AI-powered tutors allow you to learn at your own pace. You don't need a formal degree or prior experience. Dedication and consistent practice are enough to become proficient. By mastering even one high-income skill, you can dramatically increase your earning potential and open the door to multiple income streams. But skills alone aren't enough. They must be combined with strategies to generate income, both active and passive. And that leads us to the next chapter, where we'll explore the best online income streams for 2026 that are scalable, automation-friendly, and aligned with these skills. With the right skills, the next step is turning them into income. Let's explore the best online income streams for 2026, strategies that allow you to earn while leveraging technology and automation. The internet has opened doors that were unimaginable just a decade ago. In 2026, the potential to create multiple income streams online has never been greater. Let's start with one of the most powerful, faceless YouTube automation channels. By combining script writing, AI voiceovers, and stock footage or AI-generated visuals, you can create videos that attract thousands of views without ever appearing on camera. Successful channels are earning six-figure monthly revenues entirely on automation. Print-on-demand products are another lucrative option. AI tools now allow you to design merchandise, books, or digital products quickly. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon KDP make it easy to sell these products globally, turning creativity into cash with minimal upfront investment. Dropshipping 2.0, powered by AI product prediction, lets you find trending products before they hit mainstream markets. By automating inventory, pricing, and order fulfillment, you can run a nearly hands-free business that scales efficiently. Affiliate marketing with short-form content is exploding. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts allow you to promote products in under a minute. AI tools can help generate scripts, create visuals, and optimize your content for maximum engagement and conversions. Freelancing, powered by AI, is also transforming traditional services. Writers, marketers, designers, and analysts can use AI to increase productivity and serve more clients. This creates a higher income potential without increasing the hours worked. The key to online income in 2026 is scalability. You want systems that earn while you sleep, leverage AI for efficiency, and have low overhead costs. Combining multiple streams ensures financial security and maximizes your growth potential. These strategies are powerful, but to truly scale your income, you need to leverage tools designed for efficiency. That's exactly what we'll explore next: the AI tools that are transforming the way people create, market, and invest in 2026. And this is where AI comes in. Tools that amplify your efforts and allow you to achieve more in less time. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. In 2026, AI tools are a core part of building wealth, whether you're creating content, marketing products, or investing. The right tools can automate repetitive tasks, analyze massive datasets, and generate insights faster than any human could. For example, AI content generators allow you to create videos, blogs, social media posts, and scripts in minutes. AI voiceover software creates professional narration, eliminating the need for expensive recording equipment or talent. AI video editing platforms can combine stock footage, animations, and soundtracks seamlessly. Together, these tools allow one person to produce content that would have taken a team of 10 just a few years ago. In marketing, AI tools can optimize ad campaigns automatically, finding the most profitable audience segments and adjusting budgets in real time. AI analytics software helps you track performance, predict trends, and identify opportunities for growth. Even AI financial advisors can help you plan investments and manage risk intelligently. Some examples of AI tools dominating 2026 include ChatGPT and other large language models for content, DALL-E or Midjourney for visuals, and Runway or Pictory for video creation. By combining these, you can create faceless YouTube channels, digital products, or automated businesses efficiently. The advantage is simple: speed, scale, and precision. You can work smarter, not harder, and focus on strategy rather than repetitive tasks. AI doesn't replace your skills, it amplifies them. But tools alone aren't enough. They need to be combined with smart investments to truly grow wealth. And that's exactly what we'll explore in the next chapter: investing in 2026 and where smart money goes. With AI tools multiplying your efforts, the next step is to make your money work for you through smart investing strategies tailored for 2026. Investing in 2026 is not about following old patterns. The market has changed, and the most successful investors are those who understand the growth sectors of the year. Tech companies, green energy firms, medical AI startups, and ETFs tracking these industries are prime areas to watch. Diversification remains key, but knowing where to focus your capital can make a massive difference. Dividend stocks are a reliable source of passive income, providing a steady cash flow while your principal grows. Index funds and ETFs allow beginners to invest with lower risk while capturing broad market growth. Cryptocurrency, after a period of volatility, is expected to see a resurgence in 2026, but it requires caution and proper risk management. Understanding interest rates and inflation trends is critical to making informed decisions. Smart investing is about patience, strategy, and timing. Even a small amount invested wisely can compound into significant wealth over time. Combine this with your digital income and skills, and you create a system where money works for you, rather than you always working for money. But investments are only part of the puzzle. Side hustles that provide additional income streams can accelerate growth, give you experience, and reduce dependency on a single source of revenue. In the next chapter, we'll explore the top side hustles for 2026, practical, scalable, and automation-friendly. While investments grow your wealth over time, side hustles accelerate income and provide flexibility. Let's look at the side hustles that actually work in 2026. Side hustles remain one of the fastest ways to increase income in 2026. But not all side hustles are created equal. The most effective are scalable, automation-friendly, and aligned with current trends. For example, Amazon KDP low-content books allow you to create journals, planners, and workbooks quickly, selling globally without inventory. AI-generated digital products are another goldmine. From templates to educational content, AI lets you create products in minutes. Selling through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify opens a global market without overhead. Local home services have also gone digital. Using AI marketing tools, small businesses can target local clients efficiently, from landscaping to tutoring services. Freelancing powered by AI boosts productivity and allows you to serve multiple clients at once. The key to success is low investment, high scalability, and leveraging technology. Focusing on one side hustle, mastering it, and then automating or outsourcing parts can create significant revenue streams. Side hustles not only generate money, they teach valuable skills in marketing, automation, and customer management. Combining these skills with investments and digital income builds a robust financial system. The next chapter explores passive income, earning money even while you sleep, turning effort into freedom. When side hustles are combined with investments and automation, you can start building true passive income. Let's explore how to make money work for you while you sleep. Passive income is the ultimate goal for financial freedom in 2026. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows your money, skills, or systems to generate revenue even when you're not working. It's the difference between earning a paycheck and building a financial engine that works for you around the clock. There are multiple ways to build passive income. Dividend stocks and ETFs are a time-tested method. By investing in companies that pay dividends regularly, you receive a consistent cash flow while your principal continues to grow. Over time, reinvesting these dividends creates a compounding effect, turning small investments into substantial wealth. Digital products are another powerful source. Faceless YouTube channels, ebooks, AI-generated templates, and online courses can earn revenue 24/7. Once created, these products can continue to generate sales indefinitely with minimal ongoing effort. Many creators in 2026 are scaling this approach, combining AI tools for content creation with automated marketing to maximize earnings. Real estate, if accessible, can also provide passive income through rentals, especially with platforms that allow fractional ownership or short-term rental management. Even small-scale property investments can generate steady cash flow if managed intelligently. The key to building passive income is systemization. You need processes, automation, and smart tools to minimize active work. For example, AI can schedule content, manage ads, and track sales automatically. This allows you to focus on scaling rather than performing repetitive tasks. But passive income is not just about making money, it's about creating freedom. It frees you from the limitations of working for someone else, allows time for learning, traveling, or pursuing other ventures, and builds long-term security. Combining passive income with side hustles, investments, and high-value skills creates a financial ecosystem that is resilient to change and capable of growth. In the next chapter, we'll explore common money mistakes that can derail your progress in 2026 and how to avoid them. Understanding these pitfalls ensures that your efforts in building income streams and passive investments are not wasted. While building passive income is powerful, even the best strategies can fail if you make critical mistakes. Let's examine the most common financial errors in 2026 and how to avoid them. Many people fail in 2026 not because opportunities aren't available, but because they make avoidable mistakes. Understanding these pitfalls can save years of lost time, effort, and money. First, chasing get-rich-quick schemes. The internet is full of promises for overnight success, but most fail. True wealth is built with strategy, persistence, and consistency. Avoid falling for flashy ads or unproven methods. Second, ignoring automation and AI. Those who rely solely on manual work will fall behind. AI can multiply your productivity, allowing you to scale faster than traditional methods. Ignoring these tools limits your earning potential. Third, relying on a single income stream. Depending solely on a job or one side hustle is risky. Diversification across skills, digital income, investments, and passive streams reduces risk and ensures long-term growth. Fourth, overspending during uncertain times. Inflation, fluctuating interest rates, and market volatility can erode wealth if you don't manage expenses carefully. Focus on budgeting, investing, and saving strategically. Fifth, procrastination. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to missed opportunities. In 2026, timing is crucial. Early movers in AI, digital income, and investment sectors see the highest rewards. Sixth, lack of continuous learning. The economy evolves rapidly. Skills, tools, and trends that are valuable today may change next year. Commit to lifelong learning and adapting to remain competitive. By avoiding these mistakes, you set yourself up for success and make the most of the strategies we've discussed so far. Mistakes are inevitable, but awareness and action prevent them from becoming setbacks. Now that we know what to avoid, it's time to take everything we've learned and turn it into action. Let's create a 30-day, step-by-step blueprint for building. Theory alone won't build wealth. Action does. In 2026, following a structured plan is crucial. Here's a 30-day blueprint to kickstart your financial journey. Week 1. Learn a high-value skill. Dedicate focused time each day to mastering AI prompt engineering, digital marketing, or automation consulting. Use online courses, tutorials, and AI-powered tools to accelerate your learning. Week 2. Start one scalable income stream. Apply your new skill to create a faceless YouTube channel, launch a digital product, or begin freelancing. Focus on systems and automation rather than perfection. Early traction is more important than a flawless start. Week 3. Begin investing. Start small but strategic. Choose growth sectors, ETFs, or dividend stocks. Consider fractional investing if capital is limited. The key is consistent action and learning how markets work in real time. Week 4. Automate and scale. Use AI tools to handle repetitive tasks, content creation, and marketing. Analyze results daily and adjust strategies. By the end of the month, you'll have a foundation of income streams, skills, and investments all working together. Daily habits are crucial. Dedicate time to reading, tracking trends, and learning. Connect with mentors, online communities, or like-minded peers to accelerate growth. Small, consistent actions compound into significant results. By the end of 30 days, you'll have tangible progress, new skills, an income stream in motion, and investments set up for growth. This is the starting point, but momentum is everything. Keep building on this foundation. Iterate and scale continuously. Finally, it's time for the most important chapter. Motivation. Let's bring everything together and give you the mindset and drive to take immediate action in 2026. 2026 is your opportunity. The tools, knowledge, and opportunities have never been more accessible. Whether you start a side hustle, learn a high-income skill, or build passive income, the journey begins now. Remember, wealth is not just money, it's freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms, pursue passions, and secure your future. The blueprint we've outlined gives you the foundation, but your mindset determines your success. Consistency, resilience, and action are your most valuable assets. The first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, momentum builds. Start small, focus on systems, and use AI and automation to scale your efforts. Combine your digital income, investments, and high-value skills to create a diversified ecosystem of wealth. As you progress, mistakes will happen, but they are lessons, not failures. Adapt, learn, and keep moving forward. Every decision you make in 2026 shapes your financial reality for years to come. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail is often not talent, but action. Now is the time to take control. The strategies, AI tools, and opportunities are available to anyone willing to act. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Implement the 30-day blueprint. Continue learning and scale your systems. Your financial freedom is waiting. This is your 2026 money blueprint. Use it wisely, take consistent action, and the results will follow. The journey begins with a single step. Take it today and watch your future transform.